Like I said, the professionalism, the cleanliness, everything is just fantastic.
All the team, everyone made you feel really comfortable. Everyone's really friendly.
You gave me a special tablet to calm my nerves and general anaesthetic.
Absolutely nothing. No, it was just so professional and friendly from the start.
Result. Well pleased. They're picking us up from the hotel to bring us here to the dental clinic. Absolutely amazing. Cannot rate these people enough.
Hi guys! Today we're going to have some chats with our patients that finished their treatment.
Let's check together what they had to say.
Okay guys, we have another patient that fixed the crown. Everything is done now. She's happy. Let's check it. We are with Joanna.
Hello.
Our beautiful patient. Hi, how are you, Joanna?
I'm good, thank you. Yourself?
Everything is fine?
Yeah, brilliant.
How do you feel about your tears, first of all? Do you love them?
I absolutely love them, yeah. It's fine. I can't stop smiling.
Oh my God, they look beautiful. Joanna, I'm going to ask you something.
Okay.
How did you feel when you first entered this clinic? What was your first impression?
First impression was wow. The cleanliness, the friendliness, the professionalism, it blew me away. Something I've never experienced back at home.
How did you find our staff?
Brilliant, cuties, very friendly, very helpful, amazing. Yeah.
If you were back in UK, and if you wanted to recommend our clinic to people over there,
Yes.
what would you tell them about the whole clinic? What was the first sentence that you would tell them?
Well, I've got a salon and I've got a lot of clients, and when I've explained to them, wow, it just don't even think about it, just get yourself here. Like I said, the professionalism, the cleanliness, everything is just fantastic.
We're happy that you were here. Your energy is perfect. We love you and we love your teeth.
Thank you.
Yes, guys, one of our patients' treatment is just finished. Now we are going to ask his thoughts and everything. Yes, I'm with David now. Hi, David.
Hi.
How are you? You all right?
Yeah, good.
Good. So what was your first impression when you stepped into the clinic? How was the team? How was the environment? And what kind of vibe did you get from the clinic and the people? What do you think?
I was just blown away by how modern the place is. It's like something out of a sci-fi film coming in. I've never been anywhere like this in the UK. All the equipment's so modern, everything being glass and open. All the team, everyone made you feel really comfortable. Everyone's really friendly. If at any point I had any questions about any level of it, they would give me the information I want, and I'm someone who's full of questions, so that was really good.
What was the best side of treated in Antalya? What was the best side of it? The positive sides? What do you say?
Just how it's simple and stress-free it's been. I was a bit worried before coming how it was going to work for like staying at the hotel, getting dropped off here, all that kind of thing, but all the communication through WhatsApp on the group that I always knew when I was coming, when I was expected, when the transfer was, how long roughly I was going to be there. So for like planning stuff inside out of it, it was really easy to do. It's been like a faultless experience.
Thank you very much, David. It was a pleasure to know you and help you. See you next time, maybe. Yeah. Thank you. Cheers, man.
Another patient's journey is done today. We're going to have a really, really great report with her. Hi, Alan.
Hello there.
How do you feel?
I feel amazing, absolutely amazing. Chuffed to bits with my new teeth, as you can see.
Yeah. Did you eat something yesterday?
I had steak yesterday for the first time in a long time. Really enjoyed it as well.
Okay, Alan, we're going to have some quick questions from you.
No problem.
Okay. First of all, I wonder what was inside your mind, okay, when you still didn't come here, okay? When you were in the plane, what was in your mind? What were you feeling?
I'm coming back this time.
No, the first time. When you...
I was quietly apprehensive, very nervous, but that all changed when I got here and obviously met you guys. The communication from Charlie right from day one has been amazing. The aftercare has been amazing. Yeah, when I had my teeth out, obviously the care that you guys gave me, I was in a bit of pain, I'm not going to lie, it did hurt afterwards, but didn't feel a thing throughout the whole experience of when I went down in the chair. After the first injection, didn't feel a thing. Hurt for a couple of days, but nothing major. You know, just a bit sore. and then now look at the result. Well pleased, yeah. But cannot rate Antlara Dental Clinic. 100% aftercare, communication the whole way through, right the way through to the pickup of the plane, the pickup, once we got to the airport, the picking us up from the hotel to bring us here to the dental clinic. Absolutely amazing. Cannot rate these people enough. One happy Manny.
One more question, Alan. What surprised you in Antalya beyond the whole treatment and everything? What surprised you over here when you land to the Turkey and to Antalya?
The biggest thing for me was, dearie me, the whole thing. I was very nervous. Just how you guys made me feel at ease. I was very. Well, Claire will tell you, when I got here, I was very nervous and shaken when I got in the chair, as you know. But yeah, the whole thing, the main surprise for me was how easy everything has gone. Just so easy and so relaxed about everything now. Yeah, I would 100% recommend these people, 100%. Or you people.
So another signature smile is just done in Antlara. Now we are going to talk with Christian Buckley. I'm with the Christian now. I will ask some questions to him. I remember the first moment you got into Antlara Dental Clinic. What was your thoughts? What you were thinking?
I was very nervous. When I first got, very scared, but that changed straight away. I'm very happy, very clean, very polite, professional. I'm happy.
I remember that we had some solutions for your stress. What was these?
You gave me a special tablet to calm my nerves and general anesthetic.
Yeah, general anesthetic. And the second visit, there was a sedation, as I remember.
It was IV sedation, yes.
Sedation. So, did it work? It was calm.
Yeah, I remember nothing.
After spending some few days, we always say that Antlara we are always family. Did you feel that?
Very much so, very much. Couldn't be happier.
That's great. Thank you very much, Christian. Thank you.
When you first entered to Antalya, when you first entered to this place, what were you thinking about? Everything.
I wasn't nervous because after years of having 10 teeth missing, I put a lot of research in where I was going to go and have my teeth done. And having seen the team in Harley Street, they gave me total confidence for my first visit.
After talking to the people here, during your stay, what changed in your mind?
Absolutely nothing. They were just so professional and friendly from the start. They showed me exactly what I was going to get, and they delivered.
What did change in yourself, after having the teeth and before having the teeth? Can you tell me more about that?
Well, before having the teeth, I used to have to really suck meat rather than chew it because I never had no back teeth to chew on. It was almost my front teeth. And obviously speaking, it affects your speech as well. But thanks to the team here, I've got a nice set of teeth and I can eat again and smile. So I don't look so miserable. Everything really was good. I'm not just saying it, and I'm going to tell you exactly what I've done on the review as well. I'd like to say a big thank you to the director. Apologies if I get the names wrong, but Dilek, my dentist, Jaffa, the wonderful Mac who's sitting in front of me, who's really looked after us, both me and your wife. Mert as well, he's great, and Yusuf. They've really made I've been here 3 times now, and each time they've made it great for me and easy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching and stay tuned. Bye.